Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Tonight we are going to be unboxing a Star Wars Fallen Order pop, and that is going to be of our good friend Cal. So here we have Cal and his droid BD1. I'm really excited for these ones. I'm excited for this pop. So funny story about this this whole situation. I'm a big fan of the actor who plays Cal in the game. His name is Cameron, and I've actually met him before Universal Studios. What's really strange to me is before even knowing about this game, I remember seeing the figure in the store and being like, that figure looks, not the Funko Pop, but the actual figure. I have the figure too. I was like, this figure looks a lot like Cam. I'm buying him just because he looks like Cameron. I don't know why, but I'm buying this. And then I saw the poster for the video game and I was like, okay, like, if you can, this is like what the poster looks like. I was like, okay, that looks way too much like Cameron. Like, okay, this is so weird. And I was like, my brain was not letting me piece it together that it was actually Cameron. So I was like, no, they have to be paying him for this image because he looks way too much like Cameron. And then I was like, you know what? He's probably playing him, and it turns out that he is playing him. So I was like, okay, awesome. So I had to get behind it and get the Funko Pop as well. I have not gotten a chance to play this game yet all the way through. I've played a little bit of the game, but not all the way through. But yeah, what I played, I really did like. It feels a little different from other Star Wars games that I played in the past, but I really want to get to the bottom of it. I really want to play the whole entire thing. Here you can see we have the back of the box. There's only 2 characters that you can buy, which I thought was kind of odd. I thought there'd be like a whole line because there's so many different characters in the game. We have the second sister Inquisitor over here too, who looks really cool. Very similar to there's another character in Star Wars that kind of has, it's not the same character, but has a very similar like look to them. So I thought that was pretty awesome. But yeah, guys, without further ado, I really want to get into this pop. So here we go. We are going to be unboxing Cal and BD1. Let's do this. Alright guys, here they are out of their box, looking super cool. Love this pop, one of my favorites, definitely. It's a really awesome looking pop. I really want to get into this new Star Wars game, Fallen Order. Really want to see what it's all about. It looks like it's a really cool game. A lot of my friends have played it, said it's a great game. The actor that plays in the game, I've actually met him, and he's a really cool guy. I got to see him, I think, one time at Universal Studios. They're really cool. I followed some of his work. He also played Jerome on Gotham, which I absolutely love that show. So I picked up his Star Wars figure without even knowing who he was. I was like, this looks familiar to me. So I picked up the figure thinking it was funny. Turns out that he was the face mold for the character and the voice behind the character in this new Star Wars game. So I was like, wow, that's awesome. Actually, I was like, he looks way too much like him. This cannot be coincidence. And it turns out it's not a coincidence. The more you know. But yeah, he just looks really cool in this pop. So this is him and his droid to the side. There's just a little bit of water sprinkled on them. No worries, that can be easily taken care of. For those of you guys who freak out getting a little bit of water on your pop, it is honestly not even a big deal. It comes off. Don't even worry about it. If you didn't know that. Yeah, they just look super cool. I'm so glad I was able to snag this one before it was gone because I haven't seen this one in stores ever since I bought it. I haven't seen it in stores, so I'm super lucky that I was able to get my hands on it when I did. But yeah, what a great looking pop. Super cool. Take a look at this droid. Very cool. Very dog-like, I think. I like that though. It's really cool. We are to the back. Great side profile, great back profile. There's still a lot going on with the pop. From the back side, you can see there's a lot of gadgets and gizmos going on back here, which is really cool. And then, of course, you get a back angle of the lightsaber, which I think is also a plus. You know, like I said, it's really cool when a pop is cool from the front to the back and to the side. I'm always going to say that because it's true. It's really good when your pops are just really well-rounded pops, and I think this one is no exception to that rule. It's a really good, well-rounded pop. We love it. Very cool. And here he is to the other side. You can see the scar more clearly on his face. Again, you can see the lightsaber. It looks really cool. Just is another great looking pop. I really want to get into this game and play it and see what it's like. I probably will end up purchasing it. Right now, I'm in the middle of getting ready for Kingdom Hearts 3 Remind. It's going to be hitting in just a few hours, so I'm really, really excited for that. I think actually in less than an hour. So I probably should get home pretty quickly, but I'm really excited for that one. I can't wait for that. But yeah, it looks incredible. Very, very cool. Get a closer look at the body and see what's going on. You can see side view of the droid with him, some more of his gear. Really cool. Alright guys, and here they are again back to center. These pops, I think this pop right here is about $12.50 if you get a Hot Topic, around the same price if you get it at GameStop. I don't think that either store has any promotions going on right now. GameStop, that they do, it's going to be the buy 3 get 1 free. The Hot Topic is in the middle of Hot Cash redemption, so they won't have any promotions going on, but you can use them for your Hot Cash. Guys, thank you so much for all of your likes, your follows, subscribe, thank you for sharing. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Please ring that bell for notifications, and don't forget to leave a nice big like for me. I really, really appreciate when you guys do that. And for those of you guys who are already part of the channel, thank you so much for being a part of this. For those who are not yet, I'd love to have you. Like I said, please feel free to subscribe. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.
Dream